the Yeezy 350 Boost November 2018 release. These, believe it or not, even though they flooded the market, these actually sold out. So I do think that they'll have some type of resale value like they did. Maybe not 500 like they did. Definitely not 500 like they did. But I do think that you'll get at least 300 in a few months. There's the receipt. And then let's get into the Boost. Some of you guys, I'm sure, may have these and are a little confused what the difference is. Pay close attention to this Boost. I know I don't do any fancy R&B lighting, computer tricks. This is just what you're going to see with the naked eye. I do that purposely. The fakes can't get the Boost down right. So that's what it should look like. All right. Also, to pay attention to the stitching on the back, because that's what it's going to look like if it's real. Those little dots, those black dots, pay close attention to that. All right. These Adidas, they run a little bit big. That's typical with Adidas shoes. Let's see if you can see inside again. You can see that. But that's what it is. There's the box, 350. Pay close attention to the, get the camera to focus here, to the label. That's what the new label should look like. Other side of the box. That's what the box should look like. Inside the box, it's nothing fancy. That's how these things are so easily duped. It's just regular paper. Here's the little shoe. I'll zoom in on the tags so you can see the tags. Okay. And that is what the tag should look like. They can't seem to get the box, I noticed, down. And they can't seem to definitely get the Boost. Don't be fooled by that. That is the factory. So, these are manufactured overseas. That's them. So you zoom in, camera. That's the toe box. And I noticed these do run a little bit big. I think the fakes run true to size or a little bit smaller, which is also a dead giveaway. Because if you know if you're a size 10 and that size 10 in Adidas is tight on you, it's probably not a good sign. But that's them, guys. Any questions, leave a comment in the description below and I'll try to answer it as best as I can.